This Yvonmmee 2-set oven air fryer baskets can be a game changer in your kitchen. It arrives as a set of 2 rectangular baskets and trays. They measure 12.8 by 9.6 inches. This size is pretty good for cooking various foods. You can use them for French fries and other frozen items. The stainless steel looks durable and easy to clean. Using the Yvonmmee 2-set oven air fryer baskets is simple. Just place your food in the basket, then slide it into your oven. The mesh design of the basket helps air circulate. This means your food can get crispy all around, not just on the bottom. The tray below catches any drips. This helps keep your oven cleaner, which is a big plus. It's like having a little crispy cloud for your food. Overall, the Yvonmmee 2-set oven air fryer baskets seem like a useful addition to any kitchen. If you like crispy food but want less oil, these could be for you. They are easy to use and clean. Plus, having 2 sets can be handy when you are cooking more food. These baskets offer good functionality for their purpose. Pros: for oven use, stainless steel, crisping basket, tray set included, grease tray set, bacon rack included, for French fry, for frozen food, 2-pack, rectangle shape. Cons: rusted a bit, not stainless steel, coated in copper Teflon, disappointed that it rusted. Features: 2 baskets, oven use, stainless steel, crisping basket, includes tray, grease tray, bacon rack, French fry use, frozen food use, rectangle shape. This Yvonmmee set comes with 2 rectangle-shaped stainless steel baskets and trays for using in your oven like an air fryer. You can use them to make crispy foods like French fries and cook frozen food. The set also includes a grease tray and can be used as a bacon rack. These baskets help make food crispy. This is a review of the Yvonmmee 2-set air fryer basket for oven. The product includes 2 rectangular baskets and trays designed for oven use to crisp food like French fries and frozen items. It is advertised as stainless steel and includes grease trays and a bacon rack. However, the reviewer found that the baskets, described as coated in copper Teflon, rusted a bit, which was disappointing as they were expected to be stainless steel.